In this video, we will show you how to make this slide in PowerPoint. Watch the video till end. Let's start the video. Click on right button, go to Format Background, click on Picture or Texture field, go to File, select Picture and insert it. Go back to Insert, click on Shape, select Rectangle, drag it like this. Duplicate the 3 shape using Ctrl Shift. Go back to Insert, click on Shape, select Line, drag it like this. Go to Shape Outline, select Width Size. Go to More Line, click on Gradient Line, select Preset Gradients and change the color one by one. Select the liner from the type and make 3 duplicates of the line. Select all rectangle shape and click on Slide Background fill. Whatever PPT you are creating, highlight information here. Let's select one by one and group them. Select this, go to Animation tab, apply Fly in Animation. Go to Effect option, select from left. Also increase the duration size. And let's apply the same animation to the rest using the animation painter. Go to Format, click on Selection pane. Let's name the group 1, 2, 3 and make it number wise. Now click on Slide Show. See, as you click, a slide will come out. If you like the video, please like and subscribe to the channel and share with your friends. Thank you.